Hello, everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to set a reminder on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch this video to the end. Like it. Let's get started. To do that, we're going to need to find a reminder. You can use the dashboard control search and write it down here. I'm going to click here. Next, to add it. We click on the bottom left corner. We'll choose the title here. We can write anything we want. I'm just going to write like this, for example. Then we can put a note. We can write something here too. Then we click Details and select the date on which we want the reminder to be activated. Then we can choose the time, and then we can click here and choose whether we want the reminder to sound every day, every month, every week, and so on, or every 3 months. So we can choose any of those. You're done. Now we're going to put here this or this, and then click Add. And then our reminder is added, and it's like this. We can go into it, and we can click on it like this. We can click on the 3 dots, and we can edit it. So we can click here, and this is our reminder, and we've added it. And we can look at it. We can edit it, and then we can click Ready. If you liked this video and it helped you, you can give it a like. Subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.